Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel again. In this video we will see what is new in Visual Studio 2019. Let's go to the next slide. So what is Visual Studio? I hope everybody is having a very good understanding of what Visual Studio is, and that is the reason they have come to see this video. But let me give you a quick brief. Visual Studio is an IDE, integrated development environment. You can also call it as a tool or as an editor where you can develop software in different programming languages like C++, C#, Python, and also it facilitates to debug, profile and diagnose your software, and you can perform different tests like unit integration and performance. You can pause this video if you want to have a look over this slide. Before we go to the next slide, Visual Studio Editions, let's talk about how Visual Studio 2019 came into existence. The reason is because of our feedback in the form of issues or in the form of suggestions. Let me go to Visual Studio first. So this is my screen of Visual Studio 2017. Here is the icon to send a feedback to Microsoft. If you are not aware of it, how to send a feedback, then click on this icon, report a problem, and then a dialog will appear, and where you will get one more button to send feedback to Microsoft. Here, report new problem, and then when you click it, you will get a dialog. You can write a title of the problem, you can write your issue in detail, you can also attach attachments if you have in the form of video, and you can report the problem to Microsoft. Then Microsoft over a period of time worked on this issues, suggestions in the form of feedback, and then they decided, okay, it's time to come up with new Visual Studio version, and they released Microsoft 2019. So if you want to download it, you can write Visual Studio 2019 download. The very first link, you can click it. I've already opened it in my screen, and here are the 3 editions of it: Community, Professional and Enterprise. You can download it from here. You can also download the preview version of Visual Studio, which is new with Visual Studio 2019. The preview version is not the final released version of Visual Studio, but there are some fixes which has been handled in that version, and you can download it to have a look over it. Let's go to the slide again. So what all additions we have in Visual Studio? With Visual Studio 2019 also there are 3 additions, as it was with earlier version of Visual Studio 2017: Community, Professional and Enterprise. Community version, as we know, it's free and it can be used by business with not more than 5 developers. The Professional version, on the other hand, is charged. You have to pay for it, but it can be used by larger businesses. With Visual Studio 2017, there was a little difference between the features of Community and Professional version, and that was the feature of code length. Code length feature was only present with Professional version of Visual Studio. If you are wondering what code length feature is, then let me tell you about it quickly. You see, I have this property, employee view model, and it has 3 references. This references is of course the code length feature. If I want to change the name of this property, say 1, then it will tell me, okay, these are the places where it has been referenced and you need to change there also. You see, if I write 1, then the references quickly went and I found this thread quickly. Let's go to the slide again. So with Visual Studio 2019, the code length feature is provided with the Community version as well, and now the Community and Professional version is having the same features. The Enterprise version, on the other hand, has not been changed. It is same as it was before, and it has some more advanced feature like test, architect and diagnostic, as it was before with 2017. In the next video, we'll talk about the features of Visual Studio 2019. That's it with this video. If you have liked this video, then do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.